Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Glowing Star today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's next-generation foldable devices, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. Leaks are already circulating widely on the internet, and it looks like both smartphones are expected to come with larger displays. Let's dive into all the details. Introduction. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are set to be Samsung's next big releases in the foldable smartphone market, expected to launch next year. According to display supply chain consultants CEO Ross Young, Samsung is working on larger displays for these next-gen devices. Here's what we know so far. Display specifications. Galaxy Z Fold 7, expected to feature an 8-inch inner screen and a 6.5-inch external display, compared to the 7.6-inch and 6.3-inch screens on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. These new dimensions align with the Galaxy Z Fold SE, suggesting Samsung might use the same display technology. Galaxy Z Flip 7, rumored to include a 6.85-inch inner screen and a 4-inch external display, which are larger than the Galaxy Z Flip SIX's 6.7-inch and 3.4-inch displays. Launch details. Both devices are expected to be revealed at the Unpacked 2025 event, most likely in July. Additionally, the Galaxy Z Fold May 7th launch in 2 different variants. Innovative foldable designs. Samsung is reportedly developing new foldable designs, including a trifold foldable display, similar to Huawei's Mate X-T Ultimate design model. However, Samsung has not confirmed the development or the release date for these new designs. This is particularly exciting as it shows Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of foldable technology. New features and upgrades. Enhanced durability. Samsung is expected to improve the durability of both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. The new models might feature stronger hinge mechanisms and more resilient screen materials to better withstand daily use. Improved cameras. Leaks suggest that both models will come equipped with upgraded camera systems. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 could have a more advanced ultra-wide camera and possibly a variable aperture zoom lens, enhancing photography capabilities. Performance boost. With Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU, both devices are expected to deliver superior performance, making multitasking and gaming smoother and more efficient. Additionally, new AI features integrated with One UI 7 will provide a more personalized and intuitive user experience. Battery life. There are rumors that battery life will be significantly improved, allowing users to enjoy their devices longer without frequent charging. The larger screens and enhanced features will be supported by more powerful battery technology. Consumer impact and market position. Competitive edge. By enhancing the display size and introducing new features, Samsung aims to solidify its position as the leader in the foldable smartphone market. This move is likely to attract both existing Samsung users and new customers who are looking for innovative and versatile devices. Pricing strategy. Although the exact pricing details are not yet available, it is anticipated that the new features and larger displays might lead to a slight increase in price compared to the previous models. However, Samsung's strategy will likely include attractive trade-in offers and financing options to make the new devices accessible to a wider audience.